Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be making a crock pot meal. I am making, it's like a brown sugar barbecue chicken. I have some skinned chicken thighs. They still have the bone in them. I just took the skins off and kind of trimmed the fat. Then I have right here a mixture of a 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of oregano, and then I have a 1/2 tablespoon of garlic powder because I didn't have minced garlic, or else I would have used that. And then I have, for the chicken seasoning, I have 1/2 tablespoon in there. It's all mixed together. So I'm going to coat the chicken in this brown sugar seasoning mixture. And then after that, I will show you where I'm at. And I also, so wait, for you're gonna need for this is a 1/2 bag of carrots. I'm not going to use the whole bag. And then these seasonings: paprika, oregano, garlic powder, chicken seasoning, liquid smoke if you have it. And then I have 1/2 of a medium onion chopped up. So I will see where I'm at when I'm done coating the chicken. Okay, so I coated my chicken with the brown sugar mixture. I put the carrots underneath, by the way. And then I poured the chopped onion over. Have the 2 teaspoons of liquid smoke mixed with it's like a cup and a half of barbecue sauce. And then I'm just gonna pour that over the chicken, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so I poured the barbecue sauce over top evenly just to coat everything. And then I like to cook my chicken on low so it's nice and tender. So I'm gonna cook it on low for about 6 hours, and I'll check the temperature. When it reaches about 160, 165, it's done. I'll see you then. So this is what it looks like when it's done. This is actually like 5 hours later. I actually put a towel over it and then the lid so it would catch the condensation so it wouldn't water it down. I'm gonna make some rice with it, plate it up, and I'll show you how it looks. So the carrots weren't quite done all the way, so I just put it back on high, and I'm gonna cook it for like another hour probably. Alright, so I have some rice going. First I sauteed the rice. I just browned a little bit with a tablespoon of butter, and then 2 teaspoons of this powdered chicken stock. And then I did like 1/2 a bag of these frozen peas, and then added a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and I'm just waiting for it to come to a boil, and then I'm going to simmer it for 15 minutes. Okay, so an update, I actually added 3 tablespoons of flour to the drippings, and I poured it on top of the chicken as like a gravy, I guess you could say, and this is what it looks like. So here is everything plated up. I broiled the chicken for like 4 minutes on high, and then the carrots turned out good. I added a dash of parsley, dried parsley, and a dash of onion powder to the rice, and everything looks good. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you would try it out.